Here you see starting the friction. Friction is one of the contact force. Contact force means when bodies two are in contact, then at the surface of the contact, this force, friction force, will come. So what is it? Do it oppose the relative motion? Oppose the relative motion means when two bodies are here, when this body, the upper one is trying to move, then friction will produce to stop it in opposite way. If lower body will start moving, then in upper surface, the friction will produce to stop its lower body motion. So friction stops relative motion in between the two surfaces. So that is it opposes the relative motion and tendency of relative motion. Tendency means the body is rest. Now you are applying the force on it. You are ready to move, but not moving. At that time, whatever force is applying, the opposite force is coming at the contact surfaces, and that is called tendency. Tendency of relative motion stops, oppose the relative motion one thing, oppose the relative motion one thing, and oppose the tendency of relative motion one thing. So it does two things. When body is in motion, it opposes the motion. When body is in rest, it opposes the tendency of moving. So two things it will do. Now, how the friction act? Friction acts tangentially. Tangentially means this is the body and it is on the surface. So applying the force, body is moving in this way. Where the friction produced? Here. So on the surface, tangential. Tangentially means parallel to the surface. So this is the frictional force. And frictional force always write in F, and the normal force always write in the capital F. Frictional force always write in the small f. And now we have to study about the two types of friction. Two types of frictional forces, and one is static friction and other is kinetic friction. Now, when the tendency of a body or tendency of relative motion is there, no actual motion, then body is in rest. Here, no actual motion, body in rest. So what is their tendency? Tendency of moving is that we are applying the force. And kinetic, here actual motion is there. So body is in moving. Body is moving here. And static friction, body is in rest. Now, so body is in rest, then only static friction comes when you apply force. When body is in motion, then the kinetic friction will come. So now you are applying the force here. Force applied. At that time here frictional force will come, that is called static friction. Your body is not moving. That means in rest. Now in another case, applying the force, and here the frictional force will come, Fk. Now body is moving. Body is moving. So here kinetic friction will come. Here static friction, here kinetic friction. Static friction, here kinetic friction. Okay. And now we have to know that as the weight is more and more, frictional force will also applied more and more. That apply. So here frictional force is directly proportional to normal, and frictional force is equal to mu n. So what is mu? Mu is the coefficient of friction. Now that means mu is equal to F by n. That means force unit is Newton, and normal force also Newton. So this mu has no units, and frictional force per unit mass is coefficient of friction. That means normal means weight. So per unit weight or per unit mass weight, force per unit mass weight is called coefficient of friction. Now force unit also Newton, and normal force also Newton. So Newton will cancel, no unit. Now F is equal to mu n. For static friction, Fs is equal to mu s n, and for kinetic friction, Fk is equal to mu k n. So this is the important formula all of you has to remember. Now this Fk is always constant, and Fs is always variable. So it is also called self-adjusting force. Why it is self-adjusting force, we will see in the problems and later. So whatever force we apply, same amount of force it will give. Suppose a 10 kg body is there. If you apply 1 kg force, 10 Newton force, it also gives 10 Newton force. If you give the 2 Newton force, it also gives 2 Newton force to balance. How much? As long as it's a limit. And that limit is called limiting friction. And after that limit, it cannot give. Then body start moving. Okay. This is all about the